In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money in Binance. This process is essential for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrency effectively. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully added funds to your Binance account. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. This browser is recommended for accessing the Binance platform efficiently. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the window. Type Binance into the address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate a search for the Binance website. Wait a moment while the search results load on your screen. Once the results appear, locate the official Binance website link. It should be labeled as Binance, the world's most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Click on this link to proceed directly to the Binance homepage. After the homepage loads, look for the deposit button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will take you to the deposit options available within your account. Next, you will see various deposit options. Select Buy with V in pounds if you wish to deposit British pounds. This choice will redirect you a new page dedicated to TAM bounds. On the new page, click on the deposit button again to proceed with the deposit process. This step is crucial as it confirms your intention to add funds to your account. After this, you will see another page where you can select deposit and pounds. Click on this option to choose pounds, the deposit. Next, you will need to specify the currency you wish to deposit. Click on the currency drop-down menu and select if it is not already chosen. This ensures that your deposit is processed correctly. Then click on the Pay With option. This will allow you to select the payment method you prefer for the deposit. Next, choose Bank Transfer SGBA from the payment options available. This method is often recommended for its reliability and security when transfer funds. Finally, click on the deposit button to complete the transaction. At this point, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your deposit request has been processed. Ensure that you check your available balance after a moment, as it may take some time for the funds to reflect in your account depending on your bank's processing speed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.